always enjoyed making things and building things, and I always kind of felt like it was just more fun like making the thing than it was actually using the thing in a lot of cases. And I just like working with my hands a lot too, so that kind of went along with it. This particular project was a guitar kit ordered from Solo Guitars up in Canada. And it's, you're not really making it from scratch. You're kind of cheating, but you get to do all the fun parts. So you get to decide, what you want the look of it to be. And in this case, I kind of wanted it to mimic kind of like a nice PRS sunburst guitar. And I went with like this kind of blue-green color. And I just used some Pthalo blue or Pthalo green oil paint that I had laying around, and some Prussian blue, I think, was the other color that I used. But the process is really fun, sanding it down, raising the grain. I used some Sumi ink for the black, for the outside of the sunburst. I'm not really that good at guitar, but it's fun to play, and I just enjoyed the process of making this thing. I'd made a couple guitars like years earlier in Tallahassee from scratch. I went out to, when I was in Florida, and I went out to this mill outside of Tallahassee and got some rough cut walnut and maple, and I made it completely from scratch just about 10 years ago. And that was rough. That was like, man, I got respect for people who work with wood, because that's not an easy project. I did get one guitar that worked. I wound my own pickup. This project was a little bit easier. I like the way it turned out. It sounds pretty good, and it was a fun project, and I kind of want to make another one now.